We continue with temperature dependence of catalytic reaction rates. Okay, supposedly we have the rate of reaction. This is, for example, the overall rate that depends on reactor. Overall rate versus temperature, which is the operating condition reactions. So don't get confused with R double double what you call that double apostrophe. R double apostrophe is specifically for reaction rate on the surface of catalyst. So in this case, the R here represents the overall reactions, which is take into account the design of the reactor as well. So supposedly, when we plot the data, overall reaction versus temperature, we have this kind of plot. And then when we log the reaction rates, the data, and we plot with the inversion of temperature, and supposedly the data, the plot, you'll get like this. So what does this mean? So this figure is just to tell you that when the temperature is varied in a reactor, we can see that every temperature profile, there will be a different rate controlling step. Okay, therefore, again, referring to this figure, we call this as low rate reaction, and it increase the rate reaction increase. And this one is low temperature, and it gets to higher temperature. So it's the theory says that at sufficiently low temperature, the reaction rate will be small and slow. Therefore, the reaction rate of the surface actually will be the overall rate that control the overall rate. So we call this as surface reaction limited here. Okay? At low reaction rate, at low overall reaction rate, and at sufficiently low temperature, which is this area represent with this. So at this area, meaning that the surface reaction will be controlling the overall reaction rate. And when the temperature increases, this one, the pore diffusion will become controlling, and it will control the overall reaction rate. And when the temperature goes higher over here, the external mass transfer will be the controlling. So the mass transfer will actually govern the overall reaction rate. So the mass transfer at the highest temperature, the mass transfer will be the one that limit the process.